this segment of the Word tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to insert a signature in a document in Word. So we go here under the Home tab, and then we click on Insert, and then go under Signature Line. Click on it. Now the first time you run it, you may be prompted to enable the Microsoft Signature tools and just proceed with anything positive for it. That's because at one point in the past I had clicked to enable it. Now here you simply put in the information that you want, the email address if necessary, and so on, and then you can allow also the signer to add comments in the dialog box as well. So typically you might want to fill out these, and then you click OK. Then it'll add a signature line very similar to this. At this point, the person signing the signature or signing this document will be needing to double click on it and then type their name. And then they can also include comments in here, so they can they created this document, approved this document, whatever the type is of commitment. Then you can have additional comments added in here, and then click on Sign. It will prompt you whether to use the certificate. And there you go. So it puts some additional properties behind the scenes, and it kind of connects with Microsoft Digital ID services to make this supposedly legit. It also collects additional information as to the time and date and so on from the user. So it's kind of half official, I would say, when it comes to this. But it's a tool that for internal use could be utilized by organizations or users out there to collect somebody's signature or approval on a specific document or a process.